9th November was a rest day, so I was roaming around Eden. So Eden is really beautiful, and this is a huge area. As I said, staycation or work from hill, you can always choose this place. They are already in Airbnb right now. So you can see this is what our duffel bag. It's already gone. So shukate diyechi, and this is my buddy, Buddy, Buddy. So today I think they will be here when I'll go for the Raleigh River small hike after lunch. So that is my dad's jacket. রোদে শুকানো হচ্ছে চলো, that is the best guide. So right now I feel very fresh, uh, have the shower and everything, and freshly tea. I'm not a coffee person. If you want, you can have tea over here. That is really good. You can have. And you know, this Eden area is really they have huge property over here. So you can see in the 2023 and now 2025 it is there is changes. There are changes, and I can see spider. Seriously, I miss my Nikon P900. This is the spider cob. You know, I love unedited vlogging. Maybe uh, it will be a long video, but you can feel the actual essence of the place. So right now in Kalimpong it's around 12:30 p.m. I don't feel cold. um, okay, in Eden you can see this is the place we can sit, and they have really good Wi-Fi. I think last time I saw some fish. No, right now we don't have, but you can sit here for a long time. And where is my guide? There is my guide, the doggo guide. He's waiting. Actually, they will show you how to go to the Raleigh River. Last time they did it. So let me show you this place. You can sit here also, and this is a very big property. Bimal Rai uncle is here. He is the owner, and Eti Tamang, he is manager, come cook, come guide, everything, caretaker. So here another buddy, and this is the barbecue area. As I said, they have Wi-Fi, so if you want to work from this place, you can do it properly. I won't do any live video because I want to enjoy my vacation. So here we go. Right now it's really sunny, and I have only this chadar or stole, you can say, and just roaming around. And post lunch I'll go with my father for the hike. They are my guide dog. Basically, they will show you how to go there. So there is a I mean stairs, not the properly you can get the staircase, but there is a hike area. If you want to say trek, you can. So without stick I won't dare, and I'm not wearing the proper shoe. So let's see. Chalo, 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 chalo. Let's go. What she's doing, like she is blocking my I mean, she cannot let me go. That's why she is blocking. Chalo, 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 chalo. Our lunch was served within 1 p.m. and 2 plate is more than enough for 3 of us. Lunchtime. Lunch is not included. We take a veg and non-veg meal. So non-veg, that is chicken curry, salad, papad, and this is veg sabji, cabbage, dal, and here is rice. So, and I have egg. That's my plate, and it's funny that I cannot eat rice with spoon but fork. আরে পড়ে যাচ্ছে। চলো 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 চলো। এসো 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 এসো। দাঁড়াও দাঁড়াও দাঁড়াও। এসো এই তোমার একটা। these two cute doggos we feed every day, and we always carry paper plates because it's not good to make it dirty. Feed them and then throw away this paper. There was dustbin, so it is easy for us. And when post lunch, when I was going around with my father, so my mother clicked this video, so I'm attaching that also. She is also very good in video and clicking. I do the vlogging, but I always try to keep it unedited because my father also, in future videos you will get to see how my father did the video. It is shaky, but it's okay. We don't need it perfect. It is a vacation, and that will be a memory of my father and mother also. Later on I can see that this is how they used to click pictures or video. Yeah, sometime I was very angry why you are not clicking my picture properly, but later on when I saw this, I see that it's very natural, it's coming from them. So yes, নোকঝোক তো চলতেই है, মা বাবার সঙ্গে একটু ঝগড়াঝাটি হয়, but after all they are our parents. Sometimes we are wrong, sometimes they are wrong, so that is an adjustment, and I'll definitely share their video also, how they click my videos, some of that. Ma cannot go everywhere, so she was clicking inside the Eden. She was resting. Eden is actually close to our heart. My father, mom, we all loved it since 2023. So in the next video, stay tuned with Madhurama's Kitchen and Madhurama Basu YouTube channel. In the next video, I will show you Palla Hut. Eti told me actually to go there. It's a local hut, so I went there. It's a small one, but yes, it's cozy and it's nice. So in the next video I'm going to share that. Stay tuned. And every time I get this question, ar kotobar Darjeeling jabi, how many times you will go to Darjeeling? I don't know how many times I will go to Darjeeling because this is the 6th year, maybe 7th, 8th, I don't know, but I always hoping for to go to Darjeeling, and every year something new. Maybe the hotel or the homestay will be same, but the something new will come definitely. So stay tuned for the next video.